Hello student, we study the endocrine system. Myself, Vikas Bosab Gauri, Principal NN Satta College of Pharmacy. Endocrine systems is nothing but the systems which regulate the body functions, their mechanisms, and the number of hormones which are released from the glands is known as the endocrine systems. In human body, there are several glands which are present and situated. Here, we study their locations and their functions. The contents of the today's presentation: first, definition; second, type of endocrine gland; third one is the structure and function of endocrine gland; then definition of hormones, mechanism of hormones, and last one is a disorder of endocrine glands. We study one by one. The first, definition of endocrine system. It is made up of glands that produce and secrete hormones or nothing but the chemical substance produced in the body that regulate the activity of cell or organs. Second, these hormones regulate the body growth, metabolism, and sexual development and function. The different endocrine glands present in the human body, such as the pituitary gland, is nothing but the master of the gland. Second, hypothalamus gland, pineal gland, thyroid gland, thymus gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, ovaries, and testes. These are the glands which are present in the human body, and they are responsible for the regulating the body functions. The type of the glands and their locations. First of all, we know that where is the location of the gland and their particular function. So in this slide we study the type of the gland and their function. The three glands, hypothalamus, pineal gland, and pituitary glands, which are present in the human brain, while the thyroid gland, it is present here, it is present in the neck. Next gland is a thymus gland, which it is present above the kidney and it is lies between the kidney. Then the pancreas, it is a part of the gastrointestinal tract. And next gland is the testis, it is a part of the reproductive systems. And in female there is a gland is known as the ovary gland, it is present in the female reproductive systems. Now we study one by one. First, hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is located on the under of surface of brain. It is lies just below the thalamus and above the pituitary gland. The hypothalamus is helped to regulate or stimulate the more hormones in the pituitary glands. In human, the hypothalamus is approximately size of the pea and account of less than 1% of weight of the brain. The hypothalamus plays important function including release of hormones, regulating body temperature, hungers, important aspect of parenting and attachment behavior, thirst, fatigue, sleep, and certain cardiac rhythms. These are the function of the hypothalamus. Means regulating the body temperature, hunger, important aspects of the penetrating attachment behavior, thirst, sleeps, and certain cardiac rhythms. These are the main function of the hypothalamus. Here we study the hormone is released in the hypothalamus and its functions. The first hormone, tryptophan releasing hormone. Second one is gonadotropin releasing hormone. Third one is corticotropin releasing hormone. Next, growth hormone releasing hormone, oxytocin, somatostatin, and dopamine. These are the several hormones which are secreted in the hypothalamus. The first the first hormone, tryptophan releasing hormone, stimulate the pituitary gland to produce the thyroid stimulating hormones. The main aim of TRH is to stimulate the pituitary gland for the production of the thyroid stimulating hormones. And thyroid stimulating hormone plays an important function for many body parts such as heart, gastrointestinal tract and muscles. Second hormone, gonadotropin releasing hormone. It also causes the pituitary gland to produce the important reproductive hormone such as follic stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormones. Next hormone secreted by the hypothalamus is corticotropin releasing hormones, is involved in the body response to both physical and emotional stress. Means tryptophan releasing hormone is important for the production of the thyroid stimulating hormones. Gonadotropin releasing hormone stimulate the pituitary gland to produce the reproductive hormones, and corticotropin releasing hormones involves for the body response both physical and emotional stress. Next hormone, growth hormone releasing hormone. This hormone stimulates the pituitary gland to produce the growth hormone which are responsible for the growth and development of the body. Next hormone is oxytocin. This hormone is an important behavior and emotional hormones and sometimes used for the reproductive systems. Next hormone, somatostatin hormones. This somatostatin works for the to stop the pituitary gland from release of certain hormones including growth hormone and thyroid stimulating hormone. Next hormone is dopamine. Inhibit the prolactin from the anterior pituitary. Here we study the different hormones secreted by the hypothalamus. First one is a tryptophan releasing hormone. Second one is a gonadotropin releasing hormone. Third one is a corticotropin releasing hormone. Next, growth hormone releasing hormone, oxytocin, somatostatin and dopamine. Disorder or dysfunction. Disorder in hypothalamus may cause certain genetic disorder such as growth hormone deficiency. Second disorder of hypothalamus may be birth defect involving the brain or the hypothalamus. Then tumor in or around the hypothalamus. Eating disorders such as anorexia or bulimia. Next disorder caused to the hypothalamus is autoimmune conditions, disorder of hypothalamus, diabetic insipidus, and last disorder of hypothalamus is Prader-Willi syndrome is nothing but the habit of excess eating is known as the Prader-Willi syndrome, which may causes body weight and increasing the risk of the obesity. Thank you. Thank you. Next presentation we study the remaining glands. If you have any query, please write down in the comments.